Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Kynhun Myntri ka Sarkar Jilla ha ka sngi tho dieng jong ka tayo ka khan reu tarik ukala lengkot arajar apun reu kalarai ban penbet yaki kai phot jong ka expert committee ha ka Meghalaya State Job Reservation Policy shi hajar khandai spa nyopu ar kaban saya kran shen ha ka mangtingka kaban sawan ha assembly kaban salong ha ka khan reu tarik hadu ka ar khu nyo tarik ubnai rimpang arajar apun reu Haba ai jingkran ha kan ikasngi andala dep banwa ya kajingalang Kynhun Myntri ha orchid resort mau kasyang u Myntri rangba kajela u konrad sangma uloong bayagi kai pot la dep ban Ïathir bad la dep ban minjur bad la dei ban wanra hakmat ka assembly ulay thuru baga sarkar kala dep ban terwa sha ulat kajela ban khot ya Ïingdorbar mangtingka nadu kashiteng jong ubanai rempang bad ya katarek onsaban ben hadin bala minjur U konrad uloong ba kanumlong kabaya hap ban penpau yaki jingdan jong ka kai pot shwa ban wanra hapo ka Ïingdorbar shwai kani u Myntri rangba uloong baya ka kai pot la bishar benya abha daki he sarkar bat kalong kaba lapan kre ban yakren dak ba penksan ya ka jingdan kam jong ka ula kedo baya ki kot kisla kalong kaba benya bat kabadon kam ban bishar benya da kaba benrap ba ka assembly kan long ka jaka kaba biang bha ban pen I bat ban bishar benya yaka.
In terms of the informal item, we had a discussion on the aspect of the report on the reservation policy, and we have decided that the assembly session, which again is another news which I would like to inform all of you, that we have proposed to the governor that the assembly session be started from the mid of February. Exact date about February 16th, if I'm not wrong, and the calendar, but February 16th, the Monday, and up to February 27th. So we have proposed to the governor. We are waiting for the governor, of course, to call the sitting of the assembly for the budget session. So once the governor approves and gives the orders, it will be formalized. But we have proposed. And based on that proposal, the cabinet has also decided that it is most appropriate that we will be placing the report of the committee during the budget session of 2026. So those are the decisions that were made.